Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix battery draining issue on your Microsoft Surface 8th generation laptop. So if your laptop's battery is draining way too fast, first thing that you have to do is enter the power settings by right-clicking the battery icon on your taskbar, selecting power and sleep settings here. Then we're gonna have to check energy recommendations, where you can set battery mode for best energy efficiency quickly. Then you can also set put my devices to sleep and turn off the display to recommended values, and this way you can quickly adjust your battery power basically by clicking the toggles or quickly checking the checkbox in this menu. You'll be able to enhance your battery's health and increase its lifetime on a single charge. Then also right click the taskbar, go to the task manager. Then you can sort the applications by power usage, which you can do simply by right clicking one of these columns and selecting power usage. Then click on the power usage to sort the applications, and now if you see that some application is abusing your battery power, you can simply right click this app and select End Task. Also check the startup applications window. Sort the apps here by status, make sure that the enabled ones are at the top. Check the apps that you don't use, right click an app you want to disable, click disable, and this way you will prevent an application from slowing down your PC's launch, as well as you will also get rid of an application that is causing your device to slow down in real time. And also make sure that your device gets updated. So go to settings, Windows Update on the sidebar, check for updates. Also don't forget some important driver updates by going to advanced options, optional updates. Here you'll find the driver updates in a separate tab. If you expand it, you'll be able to select the driver updates and install it on your computer. And also we can check the battery's health overall by going to Surface Repair Toolkit. Now this application should be pre-installed on your laptop, however in my generation of laptops it wasn't. Therefore, let's find this app together in Microsoft Store. So just open your Microsoft Store and search for Surface Repair Tool. Once you find it here, open it. Well, install it first and then open it. And then in this app, you'll be able to check your battery information. If you expand this menu, you'll be able to see your full charge capacity at the bottom and design capacity at the top. Now, the design capacity is your current battery capacity, and the design capacity is the maximum battery capacity, and the full charge capacity is your current capacity. So if the full charge capacity goes below the design capacity, if it goes far below the design capacity, so let's say by 30% below design capacity, this simply means that you have to replace your device's battery in order to restore its usual battery lifetime. And to check your battery for any other damages, you have to go to repair to test on the sidebar, hit the checkbox next to your battery, then click run. Then you're gonna have to follow the instructions. So first of all, you have to plug in your charger. Let's do this. Okay, then scroll down and click start. Then you're gonna have to unplug your charger and click start once again. And at the end of this test, you'll be able to see whether your battery is running properly. Click finish. And that's basically it. So thanks so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.